Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. This will be a super short video as I just wanted to share how I organize our new understairs pull-out drawers. You can get caught up with this project by tapping the link in the top right corner. So before deciding on the storage containers, I first packed up the pull-out drawers with the typical household items I plan to store in them. That gave me a better idea on the type of containers I wanted, including height and width. I found these woven baskets with faux leather handles from Target, and I love the texture they bring to the drawers. Each basket perfectly fits 4 paper towels, and so now I have plenty of room for my Costco haul. For everything else, I'm using these modern plastic bins I found on Amazon. I love the clean, simple look of these bins, and I'm also really impressed with the quality. These bins come in several colors in 4 different sizes, and I literally bought all the sizes and lucked out because they fit perfectly. Once I had everything packed up, I of course needed labels. I found these reusable clip-on labels from Amazon, and they're exactly what I needed to complete the look. They wipe off easily and clips on really well. Here's the before of the empty drawers, and look how pretty they look now that I have everything organized and labeled. I went ahead and linked all the storage containers in the description box below. Storage is one of those things you can never have too much of, so we're pretty happy with the functional storage we were able to create with this project. We've been working on the girls' playhouse, so I'll be sharing a recap next week to get you guys caught up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.